My kids all got their dental work done in their braces here at Afdent, and we've been in the area for probably about 12 or 14 years. So everyone in the family has used Afdent as a dentist. I'll confess I'm probably the worst dental patient in the family. I came less often than everyone else did. So I came to Afdent because we have 3 kids, and 2 of them have already had all their dental and orthodontic work done here. And after we got the braces off of our middle child, I decided maybe it's time for me to go in and get some work done myself. I had some crowns done, I think 8 crowns, which is a lot. It was a pretty extensive, I guess you would call it, I don't know if it's reconstruction, but it was a lot of work. And then some whitening of my lower teeth. So the crowns were all on the upper, and then some whitening on the lower teeth. And like I said, probably it was 3 visits including the night guard. So, but it only took about 3 or 4 weeks to get everything done. I could not possibly be happier with the results. As a matter of fact, now that I've had mine done, I told my wife, she's been putting off having some work done. This is the place. This is the place to do it. And the staff here, so Pam and Terry and Dr. Moore were fantastic. And if I'm forgetting somebody else's name, then I apologize. But I couldn't be happier with the experience and the results. Well, as I said, I needed to have some repair done on a crown that I had done before. So it had cracked over on the side, and it wasn't terribly noticeable, but I could see it from time to time, and maybe even a little pain with that. And then there was some discoloration on the lowers. And with my work, I'm in front of people all the time, and so it's a lot easier for me if I'm just relaxed and open and not thinking about, what does my smile look like. The experience from beginning to end, I came in for a consult and asked, what is the plan? What do we have to do to fix this? And just lay it out for me. And that was my only real direction, is just tell me in simple layman's terms, what do we need to do to get everything fixed? And the folks here were absolutely clear and open and laid out a range of options for me on what to do and how to approach the treatment. And then once we made a decision and set the next appointment, I came in one day for prep. A week later, came in to have the crowns put in, and then 2 weeks after that, I was in for the night guard and done. So I think beginning to end, it was probably 30 days, and it was as easy as anything could be. I've already told my wife she should come in and have some work done herself. She has a couple of concerns. I said, you have to go. These folks are fantastic, and anybody else who happens to ask, I'll definitely tell them, and I may just go out and tell them anyway. Because it's been a fantastic experience, and it's great to have it right here in town. It's close to the house, and we're pretty lucky to have a place like this. The advice I would give is go to the dentist and ask, because that's what I said. I hate to admit it, but it had probably been 6 or 7 years since I had been to the dentist when I came in here. Just go and ask. Let someone take a look and tell you where you are and how to get where you want to be. I think the only thing that I would like to say is I really can't say enough about how happy I am with the service. The ads that Afdent has where they say patient-friendly dentistry, and when you call, I would call all the time for the kids' appointments and things, to say a very capable staff member will help you out. All of that is absolutely true. It's not just an ad, or it's not just words. It really is patient-friendly dentistry, and the folks here could not be better.